Hi everyone, today we will be tackling the 5 categorization of cell organelles and their functions as cell. These 5 are protection, genetic control, manufacturing, storing, distribution and breakdown of organelles, energy processing organelles, and the structural support, movement, and communication between cells. Under protection, we have the plasma membrane or cell membrane. It is present in both animal and plant cell. It is a thin barrier that forms a boundary by which individual cells are separated from the external environment. Next, we have the cell wall. It is present only in plant cell. This is an additional boundary for plants, algae, fungi, and some bacteria. Lastly, we have the cytoplasm. This is a jelly-like fluid inside the cell. Under genetic control, we have the nuclear envelope, which encloses the DNA. We also have the nuclear pores, or the holes inside the nuclear envelope, which allows large molecules to pass between nucleus and cytoplasm. We also have the nucleolus, which is a dense region where small organelles essential for protein-making process are being assembled. Nucleus is the brain of the cell and controls the activity of the cell. This is also the storehouse of genetic information in the form of DNA. Lastly is the ribosomes, which is the protein factories or the site of protein synthesis. Under manufacturing, storing, distribution, and breakdown of organelles, we have the vacuoles, or the fluid-filled sac for the storage of materials needed by the cell. We also have the lysosomes, or the suicidal sac, that engulfs foreign substances that may harm the cell. Peroxisomes is similar to lysosomes, but this exists as a small vesicle. Endoplasmic reticulum is an interconnected of thin and folded membranes. This is divided into two, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the rough endoplasmic reticulum, where the ribosomes are attached. We also have the Golgi apparatus, or the packaging center of the cell. Lastly, we have the vesicles, or the small membrane-bound sacs enclosing the protein. Under energy processing organelles, we only have two, the mitochondria, or the powerhouse of the cell that generates adenosine triphosphate, and the plastids, or an organelle that helps a plant convert solar energy to chemical energy. Lastly, we have the structural support, movement, and communication between cells. Under this, we have the centrosomes, or the microtubule organizing center. Second, we have the centrioles, or the cylinder-shaped organelles made up of 9 triplets of tiny microtubules arranged in a ring. We have the cilia, or the little hairs of much shorter size, responsible for locomotory projections. We have the flagella that looks like a whip or a tail. Lastly, we have the cytoskeleton that provides framework for the cell. It can be microtubules, filaments, or intermediate filaments. That's it for today's video. I hope you have learned something. This has been Rochelle B. Sibuco. Thank you for watching.